The national teams for the upcoming Senior World Aquatics Championships in Singapore in July 2025 and the Junior World Championships to be held in Romania in August 2025.
My main events this gala is 50 breast, 50 free and 100 breast. So far, some two of those events and they've been really good PBs. This competition, we have a wide variety of swimmers coming from a wide variety of countries.
It's so competitive. However, I'd like if they appreciated inclusivity more, like have more people from the disabled so that even the awarding can be at par. Those who are disabled and the fully abled people.
It's my first time. I also got like personal bests yesterday in my 50 freestyle, and I also plan to get more today in the second section.
I'm finding Zone 3 Kenya Nationals very fun and energetic. I like the environment as the people are nice and welcoming. So far, my goals for the future are to represent my country in the Olympics.
We want our kids to get exposed not just in SADC region, which is where Malawi is based, but also into the East Africa community. Basically get an understanding of how the swimmers also perform in other regions. The Malawi Aquatic Union team is also preparing themselves for what is known as the Region 5 Games under Africa Sports Council.
This is a big event for our nation, and we are so privileged to be hosting this event in Kasarani Aquatic Stadium, which is a 50-meter pool and also a sanctioned pool for this meet.
And very well, it is a story that brings Weekend Prime to a close. But tonight, in about 5 minutes,